God, me say good morning to blows and skirts. Want to give thanks and praise to Master God to blows and skirts. So we live to see another day. Me want to give thanks to Father God so we live to see another day to bumbo clot. Easy, big up your blood clot self, me done. You know, say to pussy clot, you tell me about the video, my youth, and you know, say, me nay see the blood clot video. Thanks for the blood clot information me done. And now that Jamaican people get the information to blood clot, all of the massive them bless up on a bumbo clot self. You get to me and say, wanna stay right there, so. Hey blood clot boy Beenie Man. Hey boy, hey bumbo clot boy Beenie Man. Me come for switching on your blood clot today, boy. Me say, hey boy, me come for use the willow switch and beat you on your blood clot today. Pussy well, why me cannot pay your blood clot child support? Boy, now sit down now to pussy clot, come here pussy hole. Come here, your bumbo clot. Now first of all pussy hole. See, first a blood clot all. You pay off the inspector them and pay off the police them to pussy clot and a snitch pan bumbo clot people. But you don't know if you pay your child support. Boy? Now first of all to blood clot you don't kill off bumbo clot bogle to pussy clot, and get where we the bitch. You don't kill off bogle bitch and get where we the. Because you pay off the bumbo clot inspector them. And you pay off the little bumbo clot Batman police them were down there. You's a fucking snitch bitch. Now first of all, the little girl go get 3-4 awards. And our mother, our single mother, where the daddy and the daddy mama. Now fear little what this blood clot, rasta blood clot, bubble pork eating, pussy eating, body fucking boy like you. Boy Beenie Man, nah take care of your bumbo clot pitney. Pussy well, why make you not take care of your blood clot pitney? That's why no boy can't live in America. You can't live here so. No, cause if you no blood clot, live here so to pussy clot. If you blood clotting, you have to pussy clot gone. All pan the blood clot street out there, you done a blood clot live pussy world. That's why enough of them can't come and come live people. You know, see, Beenie Man have no passport and blood clot visa to come and foreign come live. Why make you can't come and foreign come live pussy world? Cause you know, say child support we get in the Ross. You get to me and say, you know amount of blood clot girl them boy they come up in America, come breed up to pussy clot and give pitney. And now take care of them blood clot pitney, dirty blood clot Beenie boy. Hey, dirty Beenie boy, if you stop watch your baby mother, them pussy boy. I make you not take care of your blood clot pitney, you know. I know found a nigga there Jamaica with turn blood clot, so. Just because the mother not give the pussy no more, you claim to say you don't want to take care of pitney. On a bumbo clot, the law need to be changed. Where the pussy clot motherfucker them will play child support at Jamaica there? How many kids at Jamaica get up this morning without no fucking food? How many kids get up this morning without no blood clot breakfast? Somehow no boy run at Jamaica, no wearing no pants off for the blood clot ass, on a fuck body, suck dick and get blood clot money, and have blood clot pitney out there wanna not bumbo clot take care of. Why am I gonna not take care of the pitney them? That's why these single ladies in Jamaica get raped, and I get killed. And left them pitney for bumbo clot suffer the consequences of what the bumbo clot take on. Dirty blood clot Beenie boy, use a worthless blood clot boy. Use a nasty blood clot bubble jet boy where a fuck man in them body underneath the blood clot quiet pussy hole. You talk about your king of blood clot dancehall bitch. You need to be king of child support. Where the child support money there where you owe the little girl pussy hole. If I me like the baby mother, me don't take your blood clot got child support and all of the back payment them where your name blood clot make, guess what? You have to go pay every fucking cent, bitch. You's a worthless bumbo clot. Me don't understand why I'm going to pussy clot. You got these fully educated little girls. When I run the street, when I out there do bad and disrespect them mother. See? And if have a father like you to bumbo clot, and you know take care of the little girl. Now the little girl done graduate and went through how many fucking shit. How many nights that the little girl there fi bumbo clot cry. Fi know say Beenie Man is her daddy. And you don't come look for, pay no mind to the little girl because the mother no want you no pussy no more. And the angel no want you either. The angel no blood clot want either. The angel no say you's a blood clot worthless pooper. When you buy gifts for a kid, that's not love. When you buy gifts for kids, that's not fucking love. Vanity and a blood clot love. Your bumbo clot. You can't tell say the angel no like the blood clot boy either, cause the boy no like take care of pussy clot pitney, dirty blood clot Beenie Man, batty boy. Are you me a chat to? In pussy hole. This is Jamaican P bitch nigga. You know who I am. In bomba hole. Your big belly blood clip bloated pussy hole. Boy, you know see how body pa gas in your blood clot belly. Boy, your belly soon pop. Your bomba hole, your big fucking big belly bitch. You's a big fucking big belly bitch. And we see say you try wear tight pants them like him and them too. Boy, tight pants can't fit over your ass gut. Your bomba clot piece of shit yo. Me no know the fuck you have pitney and not take care of your blood clot pitney. Me dey foreign to pussy clot and have to work bomba clot day and blood clot night. Fi take care of me blood clot pitney them. Two of me pitney them 125 and 119. And me take care of them all the way till now. Them are big blood clot people and me have to take care of. Me got one more way me have to take care of and that's it. You need for day in an American country man. Jamaica want change up a whole heap of blood clot laws and the whole heap of different blood clot batty man, easy man, the whole heap of lick pussy sucking thing we are going down there. See? But you know not change the law for the kids them to get them blood clot support where them supposed to get. See? See? Them boy to pussy clot went all over the blood clot world. Government of Jamaica, listen. You don't need to come up with a law for child support. No for them nigga they run round down there and them a fuck everything, including dog. You get to me and say, and not pay no fucking child support. Some of them run round and breed off a dog them to pussy clot where they are Jamaica. And the fucking dog them a run round with puppy to pussy clot and now get child support. You get to me and say, a bomba clot piece of blood clot shit me no understand and them boy a come on social media and I come go on like them a king and I come go on like say them a blood clot somebody better all alone. You not take care of your blood clot pitney. It's a privilege to take care of your pitney. When your blood clot buy gifts and your pitney and when you can't want little money go over they go give baby mother, that is not child support motherfuckers. Maybe teach some of you boy. I want to listen to Jamaican people because if you don't listen, you go and get yourself in a bad ration. You get to me and say, alright now. You see, if your baby mother no put you on child support, go put your blood clot self on child support. You hear me? Go put yourself on child support. Because see, in this country here, if you're there on child support and you're not pay child support, they have a few things they will do to your motherfucking ass. First, then we suspend your driver's license where you can't drive no bumbo clot car. You get to me and say, and if they catch you, straight a pussy clot drill you got. You get to me and say, when they lock up your bumbo clot in a jail, you guarantee you're going to go in front of the judge. And the judge going to ask you, say, Mr. Pussy, how come you not pay child support again? And you are going to tell the judge, say, oh, I've been paying child support. Yeah, I bring 50, 100, sometimes $200, go over there, go give me baby mother. The judge are going to tell you, say, so what? So fucking what? That was for grocery. In the eyes of the law, you not pay blood clot child support. And if you not pay child support in the eyes of the law, that means you use a worthless bomber hole. You get what I say? You get what I say, people? Me no understand how this little bang belly boy, bang belly boy, Beenie Man. Boy, you know see your blood clot belly too bang, boy. Your piece of bumbo clot shit I try hug up my girl. My girl push him off to pussy clot. Me say the angel him I try hug up the angel and I go on like say them a perfect bumbo clot friends. The angel never they want touch the bang belly boy. Bang belly boy Beenie Man shut in your bumbo clot boy. You is not a man. If you not take care of your pitney them, you's not a blood clot man. If you only take care of half of pitney them, or probably just taking care of pitney them where you like. Your bumbo clot is a piece of shit. Enough for un artists and entertainer run blood clot Jamaica and not take care of no blood clot pitney. Till your blood clot Sunday and the pitney blood clot mama can't cook one rice and peas and blood clot chicken because of the worthless blood clot daddy. Enough for un little pussy clot artists where run Jamaica with no pants and a show no blood clot brief. And your pussy clot pitney a turn up on TV and I watch you to pussy clot and I say, what make me blood clot dirty poopa wear in pants off my ass? No, we no bring nothing come over here come blood clot give me. Fucking piece of shit you know. Not for uno boy. Come from worthless poopa. Uno blood clot. Some of you come from worthless mama too. Uno pussy clot. Beenie Man use a worthless bitch. Use a worthless bang belly blood clot bitch. And me not look no blood clot. Me not look no fame from you, batty boy. Me have my fame already. My fame is God. Your bumbo clot, yo. My fame is God. You piece of blood clot shit, yo. You need me to take the willow tree and beat you from blood clot Kingston, go a Montego Bay and beat you from Montego Bay, go Falmouth, stop a Falmouth, use a 2 before and beat you from the blood clot wherever the fuck you're there. Your bumble hole is a piece of blood clot shit. Get up every day and a suck blood clot dick. Beenie Man, you need shot in your bumble clot, them fi snipe out your bumble hole. A long time you need sniping in your blood clot, bitch nigga. Me no know the fucker, that's why enough of them can't live in this country. Enough of them can't come here so. Bumble clot, cause oh, if them boy ya come here, and the girl them where them done breed up here, if them girl they ever catch them